What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today we're going to be doing another product review. And right now I have this trim restore product by Car Guys called Premium Plastic Restore. So as you guys can see, I have a 2011 Jeep Wrangler JK, and of course, just like with a lot of vehicles that come with a surrounding plastic trim, they tend to fade over time. So what I have done in the past is I have tried two different plastic trim restore products. One I did on one side, the cheaper one I did on this side. So the one I did on the right side over here was called Forever Black, and it was actually like a dye. So you paint it on, and of course you're actually supposed to tape off some of the edges. So as you guys can see, a little sloppy work there by my own part, that's my own fault. But yeah, you paint it on, and it's supposed to last a lot longer than some of these other maybe cheaper brand model trim restores here. But even so, that started to fade. You can kind of see some of the areas that I may have missed or gone over a little too quickly. So it's not looking perfect, could use some touch-ups. As you can see, didn't get all in these areas here. But yeah, so not looking too great. So that was the good side. You come to the bad side and you can even see where I stopped in the front. Look at the difference, that's crazy. So this was Forever Black Trim Restore. That one was about maybe $20 or so. Over here was the Meguiar's Back to Black, basically plastic conditioner. And this one actually, it was maybe like $7 or $8 from any old auto parts store. And as you can see, after a few washes or a few rain showers, it's not looking too pretty. Not at all, especially back here. It almost looks white. So very light gray. So I'm gonna have to fix that. So that's what I'm hoping, that this product here, Car Guys Plastic Restore, will actually do a pretty good job. So we're gonna take a look, and I will go over some of the instructions, and yeah, we'll get right into it. Alright, so one example of this Car Guys plastic restore I did use on my Camaro's license plate cover, frame I should say. I bought these maybe about over a year ago, and it started to fade, so I put that on there and it looks fantastic. I'll even show you the back. Here's the back one. Looks basically as good as new. So if you guys can see, I even missed the area by this lug nut right here, so you can kind of see how it used to look, but I think it did a pretty good job. I'm curious to see how long it lasts, but of course I can definitely give you guys an update afterwards. So the first thing I need to do is take either a slightly damp paper towel or a slightly damp cloth of some sort and make sure this is all wiped down of any debris or anything like that. I did wash the Jeep a couple of days ago, but I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything's off of it, and yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So to give you guys an idea of these instructions, for the longest lasting results, prepare surface with thorough cleaning using, they even have their own super cleaner to get rid of all old dressings, oil, and dirt that may be on here. So they do want you to shake the bottle before you use it. Make sure that the surface is completely dry and clean. Apply a small amount onto the applicator and massage onto the surface to create a very thin, even layer. Don't waste the product by applying it too thick. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you can buff down any excess with a clean microfiber cloth and leave product to air dry. So of course, if you have any extra areas that need some attention, you can probably apply it more than once. So I'm gonna go ahead and at least take care of this bumper to make sure it's all even. And then I'll show you guys what that looks like in just a second. See how far that gets me. Apply on here. Nice enough that they give you an applicator. Alright, looking good. I'm going to apply a little bit more. This time actually on the surface itself. Okay. Gotta get back here too. Very soon I would like to get some new aftermarket bumpers, so that's in the works. So even if this bumper isn't 100% evenly coated, that's fine. Still on the hunt for some new stuff. Alright, so you can see the difference with one side of the bumper done and this part not even touched. Look at that. Alright, so I'm going to keep working at it, and I'm going to do this front fender flare right here. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to show you guys a before and after, so see you in a second. Alright, first fender done for the most part, and look at the difference there. Look at that. I'd say it does a pretty good job, and this product is maybe, I have to double check the price online. I want to say $12 or $13 compared to the 7 or 8 from McGuire's. And this just, like I said, requires a lot of going over to make sure everything's thoroughly blended. And once you first apply it, it may not look like it's doing much, but a few seconds later, you'll start to see it soak in. And I think that's pretty cool when you can see the difference. So, but yeah, this before and after is crazy. So haven't touched this side yet, but slowly getting there. So I'll update you guys in just a few minutes. Alrighty, and about 30 to 45 minutes later, I have finished the entire Jeep trim, but everything is looking fantastic. I even did the door handles too. Those really needed it. As you can see, after a few washes or a few rain showers, it's not looking too pretty. Not at all, especially back here. It almost looks white. So very light gray. But yeah, you come all the way around. Got this. Everything looks very even and smooth. Look at that. Got this door handle. I even got around the license plate frame. Got down here. All the way up here, looking really nice. Evened out some of those missed spots. Got this door handle too. Got down there and all the way up here. So yeah, compared to before and after, looks miles and miles better. So I'm very happy with it. Of course, the test will always be how long it's gonna last. How long will it look like this? I'm sure it's gonna fade a little bit over some time, but we're gonna have to see if it'll stand up to the test of time and weather. So yeah, I know it's gonna rain in a few days, so we'll see what happens. But either way, I'm very satisfied with it. And like I said, I got this off of Amazon, so if you guys are curious and want to try it out, you can definitely check it there. there's a review of the Car Guys plastic restoration. Of course, if you guys have any questions about the product or any questions for me in general, you can leave it in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. I do try to post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.